Hello everyone, I bring another video again. I'm still using arrow indicator, but this time I'm going to combine with digital north indicator that you already know. Let's quickly start with the configuration. Let's go to the time frame. Okay, let's set this to the 15 seconds with classic candles. It's getting used for us. Alright. I'm using strat for about 1 minute celebration time. We're gonna use $10, only $10. Okay, and look at the indicators, guys. That's simple. Supertrend Aroon. Alright. That's so good. So let's configure that. Click on it. We're gonna use with 10 and 3 on multiplier. Alright. And that color is up to you. Now we're gonna use for Aroon as well 15, the color. That's so good. Alright. And look at this, guys. Here I see that the bearish strength one that's happening here. Maybe gonna make this one. Yeah, it's this above 50 on the line where that's. Okay, that's so good, guys. We see a very strong and upward reaction in the candle, which is what is determined as my entry. Beside the turbid trends shows me that is above, and that is why I enter. Where do I enter? I enter the upwards and wait for the remaining for this. Right? 20 seconds. Look at this. For the first trade turns out. Remember, for OTC markets, guys, it's very, very volatile and it could give me false entries. A moment ago, we saw that ring mark in the upward trend, and that is an upward trend, is a bullish bearish confirmation. And then look how this changed. Alright? Look at that, man. That is so dangerous. But that's good. I got the first one here. That is so good. Alright. Just got this, baby. Oh my goodness. $19. And that is pretty good. Alright. So, let's continue with that, guys, for the second one. When you just got this, I will keep with that. I trade with the trend, super trend is super trend, and that's simple. All right, so I have the first correct call. So for the second entry, it's interesting. All right, let's look and add on. It tells me that's a maximal point, 100% of bearish. That's perfect. That's good. All right, look at this, guys. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. All right? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. 10 seconds. Let's see that. Now we have the other one. Just make this one. That's a good downtrend, guys. To add on the bullish side tells me that is below the 50 points. All right, that is the bearish force. It's prevailing, and while this candle is breaking the buy zone and sell disappearing. Yeah, that's not good for us. But if we look at the trend of these assets, we see that is going down. It could be that is very low and I enter where I shouldn't. But well, that's the entry criterion and this 1 minute. All right. So wait for the last 15 or 12, 10. There's this high volatility. I'm trading with the trends. If I trade against this, I may lose. Let's wait for the last few seconds to see if it's a third attack or not. Good or bad, and look at that, man. Another win, $36 of profit. That's just so good. For the criteria, that will give us the right answer. Last entry, guys, right now, continuation of the trend on this one, AUSD OTC. We see that is already up. The better thing here is that an uptrend and is it disappearing. That is not at the point of 70. But we see that's interesting here. The price is falling sharply and give me the range here. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. When I see rejection, I could have entered even early here, but the entry would have been based on that, on other criteria. I had to wait for the confirmation of the entry based on the strategy. And remember that if you use any strategy, you must wait for to give you the entry correct one. Position based on the strategy. Whatever they may be, must be directional leads. They are candlesticks partners. I could use Gale, but in the case, it's had to be able to give the entry. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Right. It's not that's very low. That's is look at this, guys. The 31, and we got this baby. $69 of profits. That's so good, guys. So good. Right? That's respect is so good. It will be a large criterion. And one bid is one, guys. Alright. It's reaching our reaction point. That could be dangerous. Alright, it's falling very strongly. And it's break this level, give me the win with the candles I took, and it keeps falling. Yeah, but I have to be patient now. So the M5 tell me is right now. It's very bullish and those entry I had her counter trend in movement. But the one I'm interested in the 15 seconds. Which is the one I'm observing at that moment in time. Increase my account $10 to almost 7. It's a very good session. What this video is very short, guys. If you look at the beginning of this video, it's been a 1 hour long. Maybe this 10 minutes for that. I invite you to like this video, guys, subscribe that and share it so that other people can see that. See you in the day live sessions on the channel, on the group. Write your comments. And I wish you good profit, guys. Good operations. Have a good one and see you. Have a good day, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.